Cooking with R-H-N-R. Ba 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 da ba.
Yum yum.
Woo! Hello, I'm Harry Potter.
And
I
I'm
know I
Ron
don't.
Weasley.
I know I don't look the same, but I still have the glasses, different ones, and the scar.
If you could just see.
Go to Ron.
I'm here.
Here's the scar. Oh no, my hair ripped off. Go back to Ron.
Here we have something new, the oven blaster.
And this is our first video.
And we have a new milk horse.
Our first video. And we have our guest star,
It's
SpongeBob.
called Sponge Cake.
SpongeBob, we didn't call you yet. Well, I did. But he kept talking.
So, our first ingredient is a pumpkin.
Hey, no, yeah, not.
And then yes.
Hello, I'm doing fine. I didn't ask you nothing. Oh, yes, I forgot. Well, what Ron said, we're making sponge pie.
Sponge cake.
Oh, I'm so dumb. And how is Patrick doing? Oh, he's fat.
What the?
You're so rude. Even Patrick's watching this. Patrick, I'm so sorry. SpongeBob, I'm not SpongeBob. Patrick! Forget you.
Sorry for that.
Well,
And our first ingredient of the day is a
pumpkin head.
which we're going to have to blast off in our oven blaster. And so is a skeleton hand and dollar, which you can see right here. And we're going to pop that into the oven blaster as well. And when it makes that sound, it will make a great deal.
Yep.
And we're going to add a special thing later.
Guys, can I take this thing?
We're going to add a special.
Hermione, stop getting into our shows.
We're going to add a special ingredient later. We can't tell SpongeBob.
I know. Can't tell. Guys, I can hear you. Okay, what did we say, huh? What did we say, huh? You said something about Six Flags. No, we didn't. See? You didn't hear nothing. Okay, back to the ingredients.
Well, uh-oh.
That means it's ready! Boo! Boop, boop, boop. Okay, now for the special ingredient.
Which I'm going to have to leave my wand right here.
Yes, he will have to.
And I have to use one of our special tools. Which I'm going to have to be careful.
Oh, man, I can't wait!
It's this.
Yeah!
And wait. Just stand still, SpongeBob. What the?
Yeah!
Well, we were going to try to keep them apart, but we're just going to use his body. Whoosh.
Okay, now it's time to mix him up. Bonga, 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 bonga.
And then he just fit in there.
Boop. Bah. Oh! Explode me on the way over here.
Well, we're going to end that. And see you next time for Correct. And see you next time on our next weekend. Keep cooking, which I'm going to eat this. Nah.
Cooking with R&H. Ba 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 da ba. Dong dong.
We're going to see what they're gonna do
Next time